Hi friends, today I'm gonna show you another test run of my design. I modify an ordinary mortise cylinder to be a Bumpkey and picking trigger lock cylinder using my idea of the ladder interlock type of the pins when triggered. This is a Sargent 6-pin cylinder. I make a hole on this side. This is where my interlocking pin is installed. The hole is going through to this bottom here with a space on the original pin chambers 1/16 distance. So it goes look like 45 degrees or a little bit going like this. And once these pins are triggered by either bump keying or lock picking, you can only remove it from the back here with a set screw. They are locked by the set screw here, and these pins also are being retained by this set screw, and they have all the springs. They work in one action alone when triggered. Okay, here is the drawing. I hope it's clear. This is how my lock works. The one I modify, you know, the red color there. That's where my that is where my interlocking pins is. This look like a ladder-like interlocking pins, because when this red pins goes down when triggered, this blue one interlocks it to prevent this red one from manipulating to bring it up. And again, this blue one is being again locked by this another spring, which is called look like a ladder type interlocking pins. And this is the normal position when it is being when a key is being used in the cylinder. It acts like just a top pin, right? Just look like a top pin. It's an ordinary pin when a key is used, the right key is used. Once it is bump key or triggered, it will be look like this. Once the cylinder is turned, these interlocking pins will drop down and lock the cylinder in a hang position, preventing the cam from reaching the mechanism of the lock and open. And again, this red one, this blue, will interlock the red one to prevent again to manipulate the red one from going up, either by bump key or picking it up by pushing it up. And another precautionary measure is another interlocking pins, which will lock the blue one, and they are all in one motion when it is triggered. Okay, so I will try to test this by bump keying it, and we will see how does it hang. I'll pause this for a while. Okay. Okay. Now we had installed a Sargent mortise cylinder to the mounting base, and this is the key for it, right? This is a 6-pin mortise cylinder Sargent. Okay, so when we use the ordinary key, it works just and look like an ordinary one, right? The trigger pin doesn't activate. Now we will try to bump key this, okay, and we will see how does it activate in bump keying. Okay, so there it goes. See, it activates there. It locks this there halfway, and you cannot pull the bump key out. You see, it activates from there. You see, it's halfway only. You cannot turn it furthermore. So that means the interlocking locks it, and you cannot remove the bump key. It locks there. So the only way the one who bumps key it is to nothing. He can break his bump key, but still it's locked there. Okay. So that's how it works, friends. Alright. So again, we will try how does it work during picking. Actually, it's the same as this. It will lock the same as this. Okay. See you, folks. Good day.